What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I want to quickly go over what does it mean of generative credits in InVideo AI plan. So once you're inside the InVideo AI, whether you're in a free plan or a pay plan, you can simply click the upgrade on the upper right hand side and you will see the different plans that they offer. And you can see that it says you get 60 generative credits for the plus and the max, and you get 900 credits for the generative account. Now, what does generative credits mean in terms of InVideo AI? It simply means that you can use AI to generate videos. So whether it may be a text to clip, or whether it may be a text to image or a photo to clip or a text to title clip, whatever it may be that you want to generate, you can use the power of AI to generate that video. And that's simply what it means. So in case you want to use any one of those AI generative features, you will definitely need to upgrade to the plus, the max, or the generative plan to be able to get it, because each one of these plans give you generative credits. And as you can see right here, the free plan does not give you any generative credits. In order to generate clips, or let's say videos, you need to upgrade. And it is as simply as that. In order to use AI to generate videos, you need to have generative credits, and therefore you need to upgrade. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.